one justice is accusing another justice of trying to strangle her. Joins us Crocker Stevenson, reporter for the Journal-Sentinel. Crocker, I just can't imagine it gets any weirder than this, but tell me, what is thought to have happened on June 13th in the Wisconsin Supreme Court?
Well, supposedly this occurred in Judge Bradley's office, Justice Bradley's office, and Bradley. And it was after hours. Most of the justices, all but one, were around in her chambers, and they were arguing over the legislation that would limit public workers' rights. Depending on who you talk to, but what Justice Bradley says is that she asked Justice David Prosser to leave, that she put her neck in a chokehold angrily, and choked her. And then what Justice Prosser's people are saying is that that it was actually Justice Bradley that came from around her desk, attacked him, and that he was just protecting himself from her attack. She is 60 years old. He is 68 years old. So you wonder, what is going on?
All right, and I mean, to compound this, was the Chief Justice Shirley Abrahamson there? I mean, there's a little more history to this. Was she there at this incident?
All the justices were there except for Justice Crooks.
All right, but there's a little bit more to the story, because if you back up, you've got this situation where Prosser supposedly, I think in February of this year, called Chief Justice Shirley Abrahamson a bitch. Nothing happened, and that then what?
We reported that he called her a bitch. He corrected us and said he had called her a total bitch.
Oh, total bitch, pardon me. I forgot. Total bitch. He called her, quote, a total bitch. Nothing happened, but then like a week later, the same justice who now said that she got strangled by Prosser, or he tried to strangle her, sends out an email to everybody saying that he had said she's a total bitch, basically making a paper trail that he had done it, and then somehow it ends up in your newspaper, which is basically to slime Prosser. I don't know what he did or didn't do. So you've got the Chief Justice, and you've got this woman snitching, someone leaked to the paper, and now you've got one trying to strangle another supposedly, and the other one defends and says, no, she came after her. Is there anyone in your state who thinks any of these three should remain on your Supreme Court?
Well, I don't know about whether these three should be booted off the court or not, but I spoke to Governor Walker today. He visited our newsroom, and he said it's the most dysfunctional court that he can remember, and that's saying a lot. We've had some seriously dysfunctional courts. What would happen if justices in Wisconsin are elected to 10-year terms? If a justice were removed, then in the next election in which a justice wasn't standing for re-election, they would. The governor would appoint a justice, and that justice would remain till that election occurred.